Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming those prerequisites, so you don't waste time. Log in and verify your character meets the minimum level and unlocks. Once done, enable network and notifications so raid invites arrive reliably, and sync your friend list to see group options. Make sure you have at least one raid key or entry token in inventory and open the raid menu or overworld map. From there, you can immediately scan active raid indicators and prepare a squad. This lets you jump into the next available encounter fast. Now you look for active raids and prioritize which to join. First, scan the world map for pulsing raid icons and note remaining timers. Those tell you urgency. Then check guild chat, friends list, and the global raid feed for invites or pinned events because organized groups give higher success rates. Use filters to sort by difficulty, boss type, and reward so you pick the best match. Once you pick a target, ping teammates or accept the invite, and confirm roles and consumables before launching into combat. Finally, you join the raid and execute. Before entering, confirm your role, loadout, and active buff so the team composition matches the boss requirements. During the fight, call out mechanics and swap targets as needed. This coordination wins harder raids. If you get disconnected, rejoin using recent raids or request a friend invite. Those are fastest. If raid icons or timers stop updating, clear the app cache and relog. That usually fixes stale data. If problems persist, report the raid instance to support for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.